Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Whitney if you're new here. And so for today's video, I'm going to be using the Kybrow brow kit. And it's a brow kit by Kylie Cosmetics. The shade that I'm going to be using is dark brown. And I'm also going to be doing a really simple eye look using the 35F by Morphe. So let's take a look. So like most of my last videos, I'm just using the pomade with the brow brush that was included in the kit to go ahead and line the underside of the brow and then to also hit the inside and make those small hair-like strokes up at the front. I'm also dragging out the brow just to extend it a little bit further than what it normally is. I've got to say that I've tried the Anastasia Beverly Hills pomade and I have to say that I do like this one a lot more just because of how smooth it is and how it works with my skin. Now I'm going to be using the brow pencil just to fill in the areas that I couldn't really get to with the pomade. Sometimes when I use the pomade, it's lighter in some areas, so the brow pencil will make sure it's even. Now I'm going to take the spoolie side of the pencil and brush it through just to make sure I have no streaks. Finally, out of this kit, I'm going to take the Kybrow brow gel and just brush it through. Usually I brush up with the gel and then outward. Now to get started with my eyes, I'm going to take the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion, and this is the anti-aging formula that they have, and I'm just going to use it all over my eyes, dabbing it all over with my finger. Now that my eyes have been primed, I'm going to go ahead and start with the palette. So I'm going to go with the 35F by Morphe, and we're just going to start with the color Sand and use that as a transition shade. I'm using right now an R38 brush by Morphe just to get the colors in to the crease. Next, I'm going to go into this shade called Ariel in the palette. Ariel is a pink color, and just to make it very easy, I'm going to go ahead and use my middle finger to smear the color onto my eye. If you notice, I'm only going about halfway across my eyelid just so I can put the darker shade on the other half of my eye. Now for the last part of this eye look, I'm going to take this color Cabernet, which is a darker purple shade, and I'm going to start halfway across my eyelid and rub it all the way to the edge of my eye. Just to make sure I don't have any harsh lines, I'm going to take this Morphe brush. It actually doesn't have a name, but it came in a package with a bunch of eye brushes. And I'm going to take it and run it across my eye into the crease and then in the outer V as well. For my skin, I'm going to start by priming it with the Touch in Soul No Problem Primer, and I'm just going to rub it all over my skin just to make sure I have a good base for my foundation. Now that my skin has been primed, I'm going to go in with the Too Faced Born This Way Undetectable Medium to Full Coverage Foundation. And I'm just going to use a couple drops. The shade that I'm using is Sand, and I'm using the Morphe M439 brush. I'm going to finish off my eyes and the rest of my face makeup off camera, and I will be right back. To complete this look, I'm going to go in with the Huda Beauty Third Date lipstick color, and it's a matte lipstick. I'm just going to use it to fill in my lips. I guess because I was filming so close to 6 o'clock, the lighting totally changed for this last part of the video. Sorry about that. Well guys, this completes the makeup look for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you liked it, make sure you click the thumbs up and subscribe. Thanks, bye.